Welcome to Universal Receiver Training for HomeLink. In this video, we will cover the installation and programming for your Universal Receiver, different HomeLink locations and training processes, clearing your Universal Receiver, and finally setting the switch pulse. During this process, you will activate your garage door, so be sure to park your vehicle outside of the garage and be sure that people, animals, and other objects are not in the door's path. Universal Receiver installation and programming. When installing your Universal Receiver, mount the device toward the front of the garage, preferably about 2 meters above the floor. Select a location which allows clearance for opening the cover and space for the antenna as far from metal structures as possible. Be sure to install the unit within range of a power outlet. Fasten the receiver securely with screws through at least 2 of the 4 corner holes that are located under the cover. Inside the receiver, locate the terminals on the circuit board. Connect the power wire from the power adapter that came with your Universal Receiver kit to the Universal Receiver's terminals numbers 5 and 6. Do not plug the power adapter in yet. Next, connect the included white wiring to Channel A's terminals 1 and 2. Then connect the other end of the wire to the back of your garage door opener's push button or wall-mounted console connection point. If there are 2 garage doors to control, you can use Channel B's terminals 3 and 4 to connect to the back of the second garage door opener's push button or wall-mounted console connection point. If you are unsure of your device's wiring, refer to your garage door opener's owner's manual. You may now plug the receiver into the outlet. To test functionality, press the test button to operate your opener. HomeLink buttons can be located in the mirror, overhead console, or visor. Before using the HomeLink system, your receiver needs to learn the HomeLink device signal. If you've not already done so, park your vehicle outside of your garage. Your garage will activate during the next steps, so do not park in the door's path. In your vehicle, press and hold all 3 HomeLink buttons simultaneously until the HomeLink indicator changes from solid to rapidly flashing and then stops flashing. Release all 3 buttons when the HomeLink indicator light turns off. The next 2 steps are time sensitive and may require multiple attempts. In your garage, on the Universal Receiver, press the programming button Learn A for Channel A and release it. The indicator light for Channel A will glow for 30 seconds. Within these 30 seconds, return to your vehicle and press the desired HomeLink button for 2 seconds, release, then press again for 2 seconds, and release. Pressing your vehicle's HomeLink button should now activate your garage door. Different HomeLink locations and training processes. Depending on your vehicle make and model year, some vehicles may require an alternate training process to enable your HomeLink to control your Universal Receiver. For vehicles that utilize displays for the HomeLink interface, be sure that your HomeLink is in UR mode in order to complete training. The access to this setting varies by vehicle, but selecting UR mode is typically available as a step within the HomeLink training process. For Mercedes vehicles with the HomeLink LED on the bottom of the mirror, you will need to press and hold the outer 2 HomeLink buttons until the HomeLink indicator light changes from amber to green, and then press and hold only the middle HomeLink button until the HomeLink LED indicator changes again from amber to green. Complete the training process by pressing the Learn button on your Universal Receiver, then within 30 seconds, return to your vehicle and press the desired HomeLink button for 2 seconds, release, then press again for 2 seconds and release. Some Audi vehicles will also utilize the 2 outside button followed by the middle button process to load UR code into HomeLink, but the indicator light will change from slowly blinking to solid instead of changing color. Clearing your Universal Receiver. To clear your Universal Receiver, press and hold the Learn A or Learn B button until the LED indicator changes from solid to off. Setting the switching pulse. Nearly all garage doors utilize the short switching pulse for activation. For this reason, the Universal Receiver is shipped in this mode by default and should work with the majority of garage doors on the market. If you're having trouble with programming, your garage door may utilize a constant signal mode, which may require you to change the switching pulse jumper's location on your Universal Receiver. We recommend you contact HomeLink customer support to confirm if your garage door uses the constant signal mode. To change your Universal Receiver switching pulse, follow these instructions. On your Universal Receiver in your garage, locate the pulse switching jumper for Channel A or Channel B. The jumper is a small device that connects 2 of the 3 available switching pulse pins. If the jumper is connecting pins 1 and 2, it will function in short pulse mode. If the jumper is connecting pins 2 and 3, it will function in constant signal mode. To switch from short pulse mode to constant signal mode, carefully remove the jumper from pins 1 and 2 and replace the jumper onto pins 2 and 3. You can test which mode your universal receiver is in by pressing and releasing the test button. In short pulse mode, the LED indicator will momentarily flash on and off. In constant signal mode, the LED will stay on for a longer time. For additional help with training, please contact our expert support staff. Thank you for using HomeLink.